Hi, hello. So today we are testing a waterproof ultrasonic distance measurement sensor. Here is the sensor. You can see similar kind of sensor in back of the car. And here's the controller. This controller is running on battery. It can also run on mains power. And this controller is also connected to cloud through Wi-Fi and sending distance data to cloud dashboard, which is being shown here, the measurement of distance in centimeter. And the controller has got a relay as well, in case we want to drive a pump based on water level or some other level. So we are measuring distance from the sensor and up to this wall. So let us see how accurate is the measurement. So currently it is placed at 150 centimeter and the data showing 147, so maybe it needs some calibration. And then let us move back a bit. Let us go up to, say, now I am moving back up to 180. Let us see what the data shows. Oh, it shows 176. So yeah, it needs some calibration. Now what we'll do, we'll move to a closer distance, say at 8080, and let us see what our dashboard shows. So let's bring the dashboard here. Yeah, it shows 79. So yeah, it looks good, just needs some calibration, and it is the similar kind of precision here. Yeah, it holds the value. Yeah, thank you, bye.